Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the Expo 2020. Before we went to a place, there I got this. So I just wore it. It's an Expo bot.
I have that too.
These are our outfits. It's UAE National Day also. And this is my baby sisters. I've got a backpack. I also brought a notepad to just write something. Look at this funny mirror. I'm just waiting for my parents. Look, I have a glittery bag. So guys, we're now in the car. Here's my brother with a UAE flag. He also has a bot, a blue bot. This cricket stadium.
Look, that's a UAE flag.
And the sun is too bright. I also brought a band of Expo that I got. It's in my bag. I just bought this also. Here's the band. Expo. Yeah, got it. There's something written inside. This is the duration of Expo 2020. From 1st October to 30th March. He has a band. Show me your hand. And mine.
I already put
When?
home.
Oh, okay. We've reached. This is the parking of the Expo. My notepad and pen. I'm going to write whatever I feel is important and is fun.
And this is my blue sanitizer.
There you can see the dome. We're gonna be getting on these buses. We've parked and we're gonna get out. Have to wear our hats. I got my sunglasses and we got into the orange bus. I sat in the back. I like it. And there are outlets to charge our phones and all here. I didn't know that was possible in a bus. We've come to a stop. We got out of the bus. They picked us from the parking. Look at all the flags. All the countries in the world. There are so many pavilions here. We wish to go to the Germany pavilion first because there is a ball pit with 100,000
I
balls.
love the yellow ball pit.
And there are also swings which many people can sit.
This is the big square gate.
This is the big square gate.
Yeah.
Water will be available throughout, so you just have to bring a bottle.
I said like that too in my speech.
My brother had a little speech at his class. We got a ticket. Almost there. Our items have to be scanned.
Baggies and trains are available.
There's something pink and blue and colorful there. Looks so nice. We got an Expo map. Let's check it out.
The Expo site is divided into three districts: opportunity, sustainability, and mobility.
These are passports you can buy and stamp from each pavilion.
A lady came up to us and
Gave us these slips
only for us kids.
to keep us from getting lost.
We have to write our names
On it. This is Iraq Pavilion. This is one of the water filling stations. We're entering the Iraq Pavilion. So we went to the Iraq Pavilion and they told us about the monuments and there was a green dome thing. Inside that there is a fake fire. This is the Bahrain Pavilion. We're going inside. It's a bit sloping. If my father was leaving the stroller, it would just go. I think this is weaving. We're going back outside. This was cool. Yes, freedom. This is what it looked like from the outside. Let's something there like a robot. We're almost at the entrance. Opportunity Pavilion. We're going inside.
Our world is struggling to respond to a global pandemic while dealing with climate shocks, increasing inequality, and other serious challenges. The answers lie in coming together across borders, genders, and generations.
Our goal is to unlock opportunities for all 8 billion humans by 2030.
That room we had a little game, solar game. And then now we're in this room. We had to put our hand on the table and we can hear the stories.
You can sanitize your hand inside you.
Upside down room. Time to make a pledge.
This is the upside down room. It lands on the ground and guarded on the ceiling at opportunity.
Now at the entrance of Switzerland Pavilion. While we were waiting in the queue, they gave us all umbrellas to shade ourselves from the sun. We had to stay a long line to reach here.
That's a swing up in the mountain.
Swiss. It feels so cool now. It was so hot outside.
Look, you can actually feel like hiking up a mountain through real fog.
My earrings got very cold. Wow, what is this? This is going to be the last exhibition of Switzerland. These are exhibits showing changes they have tried to implement to make the world a better place. Here you can see people watching the parade organized by the UAE Pavilion as its National Day. We are now waiting to enter the Saudi Arabia Pavilion. This pavilion holds 3 records. This is us. Now we're in Germany Pavilion. We we've been standing in the line for 2 hours. But it was worth it because there are so many fun things here.
Welcome to Campus Germany. And I'm Sanati. Are you ready?
Yeah!
So let's go.
Our world is quite old. Many incredible forces have created and shaped our planet for millions and billions of years. When, all of a sudden, life began. And life set out to evolve through countless iterations, full of little successes and all-changing accidents. Until, at some point, we came along. Seemingly within the blink of an eye, mankind took the stage. And we began to shape the planet yourself in 100,000.
Kids can have fun in the Germany pavilion where they have a yellow ball pit with 100,000
Now it's time up. So we have to go to the next thing. Bye, ball pit. We're almost there. Hello. Hi. What is this? Whoa. Let's go in this one first. Pull gently. It's lifting it up. G is going. My baby sister wants to try. There's another thing here. The light. Wow, it's moving. When the light is going up, it's moving.
Please do not swing until you are invited to do so. Please remain seated throughout the whole show.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the graduation hall. Your journey is almost complete. During your journey through the campus, you all voted for sustainability, responsibility.
My dream.
You're not stuck any longer. Let's move together and inspire the people around us to move as well.
Move towards your beliefs to reach a better future.
Maybe 7, 8, 9, 10. Moment, I will send them back. So just even stay over here. Tell, please coming also over here. From European side, it's a different Europe. If you would like to try, open your hands, try it all together. Not that one is trying alone, okay? Open your hand. All together, okay? A little bit for you. This is sugar from European side. I just even add this ingredient, citric acid. Why I use the citric acid? Because of the fact that each kind of fruit, what mama and what the papa or whoever are buying in the supermarket, they're not just even sweet. All of them contains a little bit acid. So come for me on the stage. You don't need to be shy. I'm not biting and I'm not eating kids. So come here. Give me 5. What's your name? How? What's? Prisa. Prisa. Very nice. You would like to try a lollipop making by yourself? You're so active. She was nearly giving an answer for all questions when I say so. I think that you have the right to make yourself your own lollipop. Okay? So please come for this side over here. Stay over here. And now we want to see how you will make it. We're gonna make it together, okay? I will give you now a piece of sugar. And here you will have a stick. Okay, and now, small twist twisting. Yes, forward, 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 forward. You see? Very nice. And now lay it on the table. Okay, and now roll it together like this. Okay, perfect. Very nice. now put this stick in here. Really press it and put the stick in. Okay, really press it, press it, press it, press it. Very nice. And now take this button. Yeah, make like this. And now hold like this. And please push like this a little bit, making like this a little bit. And then we hold this button here. And now we have to press. Press, okay, it's enough. Now, focus. Look, she was making a heart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for going for your parents, okay? So, and now, we are making the candies.
They gave everybody candy. Look, my baby sister is eating. My brother also got. It's watermelon flavor.
These are the mascots of Expo 2020, Rashid and Latifa.
This is Venezuela Pavilion.
This waterfall feature is one of the most popular in the mobility district. This is Al-Wazil Plaza.
While we were here, there were fireworks. This is the garden in the sky where you can view Expo site from above.
The Korean Pavilion. This is a carousel at Mobility.
We're now at Hungary Pavilion. There's a ball pit in Hungary Pavilion too.